In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace images in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with this powerful collaborative tool, replacing images is a fundamental skill that will enhance your projects and workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Figma website. Figma is truly a remarkable platform that many designers love for its capability to facilitate collaboration in real time. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to start by entering your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Figma Workspace's home screen. This is a great place for quick access to your recent files and shared projects, offering you a full view of your creative domain. Next, locate and select the project that contains the image you want to replace. You'll see all your files organized neatly, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you've narrowed it down to the specific project or file, click it to launch your editing space. Now that you're in your design file, the next step is to identify the image you want to replace. Click on that image to select it. Figma's intuitive interface highlights the selected image, making sure you have the correct element chosen before proceeding. With the image selected, pay attention to the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the Properties panel is located, showing you all sorts of information about the selected item. One of the options you'll see is the feature to change or replace the image. Click on the Choose Image button. Doing so will prompt a file dialog window to open, allowing you to browse through your local files. Carefully select the image you wish to replace the current one with. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the new image populate in the same space as the old one. Figma smartly retains the image's original dimensions and properties unless you decide to adjust them. This way your overall design layout stays consistent, making it easy to swap images without disrupting the visual integrity of your design. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to replace images in Figma. This basic technique is sure to speed up your design process, allowing you to maintain visual consistency across your projects easily. Remember, practice makes perfect, so I encourage you to experiment and familiarize yourself with the tool, as Figma offers a plethora of features waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.